science geeks. My name is Mia. Today we'll be learning about potassium. Okay, so now you may or may not have heard of potassium. If you have, awesome, whatever, good for you people. If you have, or if you haven't, then now there's a point in me doing this because you'll learn about potassium, which is really cool. Yeah. Okay, so potassium is in a lot, it's in most important foods, so like bananas, white beans, winter squash, beet greens, Swiss chard, and spinach, which is food people eat. I've had the spinach, the beet greens, and the Swiss chard. They're actually pretty good. And then a couple other ones is yam, and then like banana juices. Banana, whatever. Okay, 2.4% of the Earth's crust is made out of potassium, meaning our crust, part of it is made out of potassium. And potassium looks like this. It's a soft metal, like gold, and like most metals, it's not very hard. And it's in group 1 of the periodic table, and it is from the alkaline metals, and it's in row 4. Okay, and then one of the many elements in fireworks is potassium. Everybody loves fireworks, especially on the 4th of July. And some of the other ones is aluminum, iron, and copper. Okay, so potassium makes salt really easily, meaning it's in our oceans, and you might think it's just sodium, but potassium helps make salt too. Potassium is and many simple elements are in nuclear reactors, and so you'll find potassium in nuclear reactors if you take it apart or something. I don't know if you can take it apart, but if you were to look into how they make nuclear reactors, like the nuclear bomb, you'll find potassium in it. The atomic number of potassium is 19, meaning there is 19 protons, 20 neutrons, and 19 electrons. And then the potassium was founded in 1807 by Humphrey Davy. He was a cool scientist. I looked him up a bit. And some of the compounds are potassium chloride, which is a white, odorless, crystal-like compound made up of potassium and chloride, as it says in its name, so it's kind of easy to tell. Potassium fluoride, after hydrogen fluoride, is the primary source of fluoride ion. Potassium oxide is made up of potassium and oxygen. It is highly reactive and rarely encountered. Scientists might find it, but it is highly reactive. And another cool thing about potassium and alkaline metals is if you throw it in some water, it will explode. It's really cool. There's a video on YouTube that you can watch. Just look up potassium exploding in water. And meaning it's highly reactive, and makes lots more compounds than what I've listed. And then, but do not throw a banana or foods in water. That they're talking about pure potassium. And then potassium peroxide reacts with water to make potassium hydroxide. And that's all for today. Subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. Bye!